What is up, everyone? Hiljin Sabangan here, and I'm back with another home tour video. We are here in the Bedford community again, Corona, California. We are checking out the Averly models here at Tri-Pointe Home. Now, the Averly models are not single-family homes. These are more condo-style homes. No backyards. You do have a nice front porch, as you can see over here, but they are very close together. Now, this is going to be model 1, 1303 square feet. And this is with Tri-Pointe Homes again. Tri-Pointe Homes is a really good builder, very, very well known in the community. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. So again, you have a nice front porch over here. Reiterate, 1303 square feet, Averly Tri-Pointe Homes, plan number 1, Corona, California. Let's get started, guys. All right, nice and cool inside. Right to the left, we have our coat closet. Always nice to have that right when you walk in. Okay. Now, these are premium finishes, so all these are going to be upgrades. These are not going to be your standard finishes. So what you see price-wise is always going to be just the standard price, right? So all your upgrades are going to obviously cost you a little bit more money. But as you can see with the upgrades, they make a huge difference. It's a vibe, that's for sure. So this is the open floor plan here, guys. You have your seating area, your family area, and your kitchen right here. Really good space, high ceilings. Recessed lighting is also an upgrade, guys, that you will have to add on. So just remember that. Okay. Give you a nice little 360 pan from the middle. All right. And then just want to take you over to the garage. Might as well. So let's go ahead and do that. Good sized garage. Tankless water heaters. You have your charging station, which you will have to upgrade, but you can always lease your charging station as well. And also the epoxy flooring is not standard, so that's an upgrade. But very large, you can absolutely fit 2 cars, no problem. I like this door, like the window you can see back and forth from inside and out. It's dual pane too, so really good for the soundproofing. And here's a pan from, walking in from a long day of work. This is what you're gonna see. And this is gonna be where you're gonna spend 90% of your time with your family, right? It's great because you have a nook to eat, dine, have breakfast, have your coffee when you're getting ready for work. And you also have your formal kind of eating area right here as well for, the nice dinners, family moments to share memories, tell each other how your day went, so far and so forth. Really high quality countertops over here. And I'm loving the color of this backsplash. It's kind of like an emerald green color, and it goes super well with this, the white top right here. Really good contrast of colors. Cabinetry is really high quality, and I'm 100% sure that this is not standard. So that's gonna be a little bit more money. And if you watch my past videos, I'm not a fan of having the sink in your island. I'm just more of a fan of having more room here, right? So I would ideally like to have the sink somewhere in this area, but that's just me, right? That's a personal preference. But as you can see, this island is large enough to have 3, which is great, right? 3 chairs, plenty of room to be able to eat breakfast, have coffee, and just chill out. And this is your money area. Again, the family area where you're gonna be having fun, chilling with your kids, with your family, having movie night, parties, gatherings. Like, this is all you need, guys. This is all you're gonna need. A lot of quality time spent over here. All right, now let's go ahead and take it over here to the upstairs. Now, as you go upstairs, you're gonna have a half bathroom over here. which is always nice to have a nice half bathroom for guests, right? You don't have to go upstairs, have them go into your rooms. Let's go ahead and take it up. I don't think I mentioned in the beginning, but it's 3 bedrooms. 3 bedrooms, 1303 square feet. This is the master. I always like to end with the master, so let's go right to the 2 rooms first. Stacked washer and dryer. It's always good to have the washer and dryer upstairs so you don't have to lug your laundry basket up and down the stairs. Full bathroom. I love the floor. Super decadent. Really good stylistic choice. And it's a tub shower. Love it. Bedroom number 1, guys. Now, the bedrooms aren't that big, if I'm being honest, about 10 feet by maybe 9 feet. Not a complete square, but close to it. But look what Tri-Pointe did with that green. They're kind of keeping with that theme of having the green color like they had in the backsplash in the kitchen. I'm loving it. I'm absolutely loving that green. I'm an earthy guy. Nice slide closet right there. So yeah, a little tight. I would say this is a full bed. So a full-size bed, you could kind of see the dimensions. You could still see fit a dresser on one side or like a side table. You could probably fit another one here as well. And obviously you have your other dresser right over there. Okay, so bedroom number 1. Let's take a look at bedroom number 2, which they turned into a exercise room. They turned this into a closet as well. Now the mirrors right here, as you can see, is not standard. They added that for this particular choice of room since it is an exercise room. Obviously mirrors are kind of a nice vibe to have when you're exercising. Small, 10 feet by maybe 10 feet again. Oh, look at that fan. That matte black finish is beautiful. I'll give you one more pan on this end. Not too bad of a size. And I believe this is going to be your linen closet over here. The shelving. All right. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the master. This is how I like to finish. It's kind of like your big curtain call right here. Much larger, much larger. 12 feet, maybe by another 13, 12 feet. Really good size. Okay. I love how they staged this room and look at the wallpaper, that green theme throughout this home. Love this seating area right here. If you want to see what it looks like outside of the Bedford community that is developing right now. I love the Bedford community. If you are looking at Corona, I think it's absolutely a must to at least take a look at all of the homes that are being built out here. It's a really good community. Different builders all building within the same community. That's something I've never heard of. And there is your master bath. All right, his and hers right here on the left side. Matte black finish. Look at this backsplash right here. It's a nice glossy finish. Nice marble. I don't even know what material this is, but it's a beautiful countertop. And then they're using that same sort of finish here on the shower, which is fantastic. Matte black on the finishes for the shower. Obviously, you need to have your place for your soap and whatnot. Really good size over here for the walk-in shower, stand-in shower. Look at the flooring. This is the laboratory, as I always like to call it. And then here is your master closet. Really good size, really good strategic shelving over here to be able to utilize and take advantage of. All right, guys. And that is going to complete this Model 1 tour of Averly and Tri-Pointe Homes. Beautiful, beautiful home. Very much more affordable If you have any questions about this or you'd like to tour it, absolutely shoot me a message. I'd be happy to give you a quick 20-minute consultation on what you're looking for and help you find your dream home. And that's my job. You're moving over here to the Inland Empire, but you want to stay close to Orange County. Corona is absolutely one of the best places to be at. So with that said, guys, I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching. If you like it, definitely subscribe. I'll be continuing giving you a lot of good tours of all of these new builds that are coming around Corona, California, and the Inland Empire. All right. Have a good day.